Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make something called Gheema. Gheema is a lot of different people, they make it different way. So right here I got my plain pepper, potato, diced potato, grounded meat, black pepper, garlic, tomato paste, Maggi, salt, and paprika. So I got my burner here. We'll put pan, and I got my grounded meat. Gonna put salt. I like Gheema because it doesn't take long time, and then you can eat it with anything, bread, tortilla. I forgot to mention diced onion too. After that, we're gonna put our seasoning, paprika, garlic, Maggi, black pepper. It doesn't take long. See? And then put your tomato paste. So right now I'm gonna start to fry my potato and black pepper. Some people they put it like this, but I prefer to fry it. When you fry it, it tastes better than. So my meat is ready. I'm gonna put the vegetables. Mix everything. Smell very good. Even it look very nice. my gosh, tastes really good. And it smells. This is my last result. Look like this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and put comment. So thank you. See you next video. Bye.